Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up Spectrum modem and router. By the end of this tutorial, your devices will be online and your Wi-Fi network ready to power all your gadgets. Let's get started. First, set up the Spectrum modem. This is the heart of your internet speed. Locate a coaxial wall outlet. If you have multiple outlets, pick the one in the most central location of your home for better coverage. Just plug one end to the coaxial cable into the wall outlet, then plug the other end into the port on the modem. Now, grab the power cord and plug it into the modem and connect the other end to a power outlet. Switch the modem on and give it a few minutes. The indicator lights should turn solid once the connection is stable. If your Spectrum setup uses separate modem and router devices, take the Ethernet cable from your kit. Plug one end into the Ethernet port on the modem and plug the other end into the Internet or WAN port of your router. Next, plug in your router's power cable and switch it on. Wait for the red light to turn solid blue. This indicates your router is online. With both modem and router powered up and linked, it's time to activate your internet service. Connect your phone, tablet, or computer to the Wi-Fi network using the name and password printed on your router's label. Open a browser and visit spectrum.net/self-install. On the activation page, click Create a username to set up your Spectrum ID. Enter your account number, email address, and phone number. Then follow the on-screen prompts to verify your details. Once verified, read through the terms and conditions, then check the agreement box and click Continue. You'll see your devices listed. Just check the box and click Activate. With your network activated, let's make sure everything's working properly. Connect your laptop or smartphone to your Wi-Fi network, open a browser and visit spectrum.net/support/internet/spectrum speed test. Click Go to start the speed test and in a few seconds, you'll see your current internet speed. And that's it, you're now ready to enjoy high-speed Spectrum internet. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech guides, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.